Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at my allotment again. Just had to come down to drop some things off and really want to get going, but this flu's hitting us for 6. My cameraman is down with it. My other kids are down with it as well, and I'm down with it, as you can hear. I thought it was going and it's just come back again. I think that's the thing what's happened to a lot of people. So all I come down, I had to go and get some bags of compost. I got these from a shop called BM Own Bargains. You get 3 bags for £15 in there. So I just brought 3 bags. I brought some before. So once I get well now, I'm going to start putting in my potatoes. So this is a Grow Shore one. As you can see, Grow Shore compost, which is got 4 months feed in it. I'm going to be mixing that with my compost pile out there, and then once I mix that in, I'll put it in half and half with my potato buckets. I'll see how many that does. I'm leaving the potato buckets inside. As you can see, I've got them ready. Still got some more outside and some at home to bring down if I need any more. I can do some potatoes at home. Right, these are my garlics what was frozen from home. As you can see, they're starting to come. I don't know, I see them starting to turn a bit purple, so I don't know if that's how they go or what. And these are my carrots. As you can see, they're really coming on now. I don't know how long these are going to take. Just having a look at the roots, seeing if any's swollen up yet. They haven't started swelling up yet, so they might take a while to do, and then once I get those out, then I'll dig it over, put another lot in. I've got my 1 potato stalk starting to come through, so that's telling me that everything should be warm enough for them to come up. Still got this fennel bed to dig over when I get a chance to do it, but I haven't had a chance yet. And then I've got my strawberries, 2 baskets what I've done. I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to put those out yet, but they need to go out. In this bed here, I've got my lettuces and brassicas in here. I've got spinach, cabbage, everything in here, and you can see they're just starting to spring out again. They were coming up before, and then for some reason they died back, so I don't know what happened there, but they're starting to come again, which is all good really. You just have to persevere. My polytunnel needs a good tidying up now. My spinach these need to come out so I can get this bed. And I just need to get all these old chili plants and that out. I don't think they're gonna, I tried to overwinter them but it didn't work, so I'm gonna get those out, then get all these, once they get the water on, get all these walls and everything washed back down, get everything out and then wash everything down, and then we're good to go again. Outside, everybody knows what's going on outside on my plot. Got my onions and my garlic out. Still got this area here to tidy up. Let me walk around. Got all this to tidy up. It looks like a lot, but it's not. Then I've got all these areas here to just go over, get everything ready for planting. We're soon coming up to that time, and I know everybody's ready. These are my snowdrops. They're started coming and starting to flower. So they're coming up more. So I've got to take some out of here because I don't want them in this bed. This is just where I put my other buckets. When I sort all these out, then I'll put potatoes or whatever in there. My garlic. I don't know how many bouts of frost these have had, but they've taken quite a lot of frost. This is my rosemary. It died right back, but it's starting to come back, but I'm still gonna take it out because I want to move this bed. All the thymes that was in there, they died. See, the water tank is thawed out now. But everything more or less, I've got my rose bushes here to just trim up a bit, get all those old ops off of them, and I'm going to get some more perennials plants to go along here. All them what I planted last time, I planted dahlias, I planted lilies, I planted a lot of things, and they didn't come. It's only those snowdrops what's there from a long time what came back, so I'm gonna get some more perennials and get everything in so that I can have more bushes along here. This is my magnolia that's starting to come back now. The bud of it is starting to come back. So that's what's going on down here at the moment. If you like our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. If there's anything that you want to ask us, just let us know. If there's anything what you want to see us plant for the new upcoming season as well, just let us know that as well. We always give things a try. I said this year I was going to just plant things what I know if it grows we would eat on that, because every time sometimes you plant things and just to see how they're growing, and you know that you're not going to eat them, but I want to try and plant things what I know we're going to eat. I want to try and get hold of some scaffolding poles as well to put in this bed so I can build a thing for my peas. And then this one bed here, I have to get the cover for that, and then we're good to go. So that's basically all I can show you today. I know it's not a lot, we're a couple of weeks behind with this flu. So if you've got the flu, just wrap up. I know I have to come out and get round and around. Sorry about the aeroplane noise, but it's one of those things. Just wrap up, stay warm. I know this flu isn't a normal flu. I mean, this is the longest time I've had flu for, so, you know, you just have to persevere with it and get over with it. So you take care, and I'll see you all on the next one.